Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 9 algebraic identities. In that exercise 9.5 show that means left side and right side we want to proving left side is equal to right side or not. First question, first Roman, show that first question is 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 the whole square. In this way question they given. First what we want to do, left hand side of the given expression consider. Left side part look in time, one bracket is there, another one second term also there. Then look at bracket is in which form? It is in form of a plus b the whole square form. What is the expansion? A square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion form. From the first bracket, what about a value? A value represent as 3x, b value represent as 7. So in this expression, where a place 3x, b place 7. Here a is there, so 3x plus b place 7, bracket is there and whole square equal. Right side part, a place a value. A value is how much? 3x, but whole square is there. Then again plus 2 into a into b value. A value is how much? So 2 into a value into b value. A value is 3x, b value represent as 7 plus b value square. B value square represent as 7 the whole square. In this way we want to calculate. Again left side part leave, right side part. 3x the whole square represent as 3x is how many times right term multiply? 2 times right term multiply. Plus this is a second term. Coefficients take 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7 become 42x plus 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 square we can express as 7 into 7. 3 into 3 comes to be coefficient 9, variable x into x to become x square. Then plus 42x plus 7 7s are 49. Mark it as equation and this is our LHS part. Minus 84 also there. That also including there. Minus 84x. This first part bracket expansion is this much. Then the minus 84x also there. That also include. Again see these two are x term, like terms. Their coefficients 9x square coefficient is 42. Here minus 84. 84 minus 42 become how much? 42 answer. Which sign a positive or a negative? Negative. What is the reason? Bigger number is 84. Sign of 84 is negative. That's why minus 42. X plus 49 is the answer. Mark it as, this is our LHS part. Mark it as equation number 1. Next, right hand side consider. Then right hand side expansion, do it then the same answer coming or not. RHS side. RHS is 3x minus 7 the whole square. First we identify which identity is suitable. We identify that a minus b the whole square expansion form is suitable. What is the expansion form? A square minus 2ab plus b square is the expansion form of a minus b the whole square. In this bracket, a value represent as 3x, b value represent as 7. In this expression, where a place 3x, where b place 7 substitute. A place 3x minus b place 7 the whole square. In right side part a place 3x but whole square is there. That's why bracket you put an whole square. Minus 2 into a place 3x b place 7. Plus third term is b value square. B value is 7 the whole square. Again expansion form 3x the whole square means 3x is how many times right hand multiply? 2 times right hand multiply. Minus Coefficient 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42x plus 7 into 7. Calculation 3 3s how much? 9. X into x, x square minus 42x plus 49. See, left, this is our RHS answer. Mark it as. Then verify first and second equation, both are same or not? Yes. Left side answer and right side answer. Here 9x square, here 9. Minus 42x minus 4 plus 49 here also. So we can conclude that LHS and RHS answer become equally. One more question. Second question. 9p minus 5q the whole square plus 180pq is equal to 9p plus 5q the whole square in this way. This also verification. Is it left and right to become same or not? So first bracket to be checking it is in which form LHS side a minus b the whole square form. What is the expansion form? A square minus 2ab plus b square is the expansion form. From the bracket a value represent as bracket first term. What is the first term? 9b is the first term. B value represent as second term, that is 5q. Then in this expression where a place 9p, where b place 5q. So a is the, so 9p minus b place 5q, bracket to close and outside whole square equal right side part a means 9p the whole square minus 2 into a place 9b into b place 5q plus b value square. B value is 5q but whole square is the not complete. Here 1 plus 180 plus pq, 180 pq also there, that also including that. Then next right side part to take right side part 9p the whole square means 9p is how many times right multiplied? 2 times. Whole cube means 3 times. Then numbers 2 into 5 10, 10 into 9 become 90 pq is the second term. Third term represent as 5q. 5q the whole square means 5q is how many times right term multiplied? 2 times. Then this term is that also once again repeat 180 pq. Again here see 9 into 9 become 81. Then here here 9 pq. Then 9 into 9 81. P into P become P square. Here see these two are like terms, PQ term. One is negative 90, here positive 180. Positive and both are opposite side means what we want to do? Subtract and put a big number. Subtracted 180 minus 90 become how much? Plus 90. Bigger number is 180. Sign of 180 is plus, that's why plus 90 PQ. Same variable, right? And 5 5s are third term case, 5 5s are 25. Q into Q represent as Q square. This is the LHS part expansion for mark it for identification. Mark it as equation 1. Same way RHS part also. RHS part considering time. RHS side consider. Expand RHS is 9p plus 5q the whole square. Which identities form this one? A plus b the whole square identity. Expansion a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion form. Then here also sort out a value and b value. Here a value represent as 9p, b value represent as 5q. Then where a place 9p, b place 5q. Left side part a is the 9p plus b place 5q, bracket to close a whole square equal. Again a place 9p but whole square is the plus 2 into a place a value 9p, b place 5q plus b value the whole square. Again here calculation left side part only consider 9p the whole square, 9p into 9p. Then plus multiply 9 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90 pq plus 5q square means 5q into 5q. So calculation doing then which answer will coming here? 81 p square plus 90 pq plus 5 5s are same answer, left side and right side having a same answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Next we go through using identity, second Roman, using identity, suitable identity, using suitable identities, using identities. First question, 71 the whole square. Number is given, not variable. Here numbers. Make it as any one identity form. How to make it? 71, how we can split it? 70 plus 1, is it right or wrong? It is correct. 70 plus 1 become 71. So we can split and write it as 70 plus 1. But bracket and whole square is there. So look in the bracket inside, how many terms are there? 2 terms. It represents as which identity form? Operation is plus. That's why we understood that it is in form of a whole square. What is the expansion form? A square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion form. Then sort out a value and b value. In this question, a value represent as bracket first term, that is 70. B value represent as bracket second term, that is 1. Then left and right side, that value substitute. Left side, where a place 70, where b place 1. A place 70 plus 1 the whole square, 70 plus 1 the whole square, 70, already it is in form of left side is in form of question, that's why leave it. Equal right side part, a place 70, but a square is there, so 70 square. Then 2 into a place 70, b place 1 plus b value square, that is 1 square. Again expansion, 70 the whole square means 70, how many times right hand multiply? 2 times. Then 2 into 7 become how much? 40. How many 0 are there in second term? 1 0. Plus 1 square, how we carry? 1 into 1. Again calculation. The 0 carry number calculation, just a number small. 7 7s are 14 and total how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Plus 140 plus 1 into 1 become 1. So we can write 4900 is added with 140 plus 1. 1, 4, 10, 5. So answer become how much? 5041 is the answer. Here they are finally added. Why? Because here variable, it is not a variable term, numbers only. That's why finally we want to column wise write and add. But previous questions are identity case, they are variable terms. We can't do nothing. Like terms only we can add or subtraction. Finally we are reaching unlike terms only. That's why. The next one more question. One more question is, second question is 102 the whole square. How we can expand 102? 102 we can write it as 100 is added with 2. 100 plus 2 become how much? 102. But a whole square is keep a whole square keep 2 terms coming term. Remember we themselves only keep a bracket and put a whole square. Then here this bracket is in which form? A plus b the whole square form. Expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion. Next step, sort out a value and b value. Here a value represent as 100, b value represent as 2. Then left and right side, a place 100, b place 2, substitute. Here first left side bracket is a place 100, bracket open, b place 2, bracket to close, whole square. Whole square first time should whole square keep, otherwise wrong answer. A place 100 but whole square is there, plus 2 into a place 100, b place 2 plus b value square means 2 square. Again right side by left side part leave 100 plus 2 become 102. That our question is in that form only, leave left side. Right side part expansion 100 square means 100 into 100 plus 2 to middle. This is a second term. Numbers 2 2s are 4 into 100 become 400. Then third term is, so terms how we are identified, they are separated with the plus sign or a minus. Here they are separated with the plus sign. 2 square means 2 into 2. 100 into 100 easy way, 1 into 1 1. Multiplicand place how many 0? 2 0. Multiplier place how many 0? 2 0. So answer become here 1 stands under 1000, 10,000 plus 400 plus 2 2s are 4. Just all are numbers. Just side to right and add that 400 plus 4. For adding time how much will coming in? 10,400 and 4 is the final answer. Then next, third question. I hope you can understand this. Third question. Two number case. Two numbers are there. At that day, how to find? 297 into 303. In this way, they given. How to split and write? That only we want to think. How to split? Not here 200 plus that one of difficult. We want identity for. That's why. See, 297. We can split and write it as 300 is subtracted with 3. Is it right or wrong? Yes, see. 0 minus 3 not possible. Borrow from there. Middle 0 9. Last 0 10. 10 minus 3 7. See. So we can say 297. We can split or write it as a 300 is subtracted with 3. We get to 297. Into 303. How to split and write? 300 is added with 3. How much will coming here? 303 will coming there. Then check it. Two brackets are there. In which form this one? This is a first term 300, second bracket first term 300. Second term 3m, second bracket also 3. But sign, just the sign case difference is there. So once you think which formula suitable there, it is which formula? Third form, standard formula, a minus b into a plus b, standard formula. Third formula, it is here suitable there. What is the identity? A square minus b square. This identity is suitable. First we sort out a value. A value represent as 300. B value represent as 3m. So values of C, where A place 3. So first bracket A place 300 minus B place 3m. So already that only. A place 300 plus B place 3. Then right side part A value this square. A value is 300. Bracket keep whole square. B value is 3. The whole square. So left side I leave it. Why? Because it is in form of our question form. That's why that part leave. Right side part is 300 square means 300 is how many times? Right hand multiply 2 times. 3 square means how many times? 2 times right hand. Easy way how 0 carry number how to multiply numbers. 3 3s are 9. Multiplicand place 2 0. Multiplier place 2 0. So it will become 90,000 minus 9 into 3 into 3 become 9. Then subtracted. 90,000 is subtracted with 9. 0 minus 9 not possible. Borrow next place. Nothing. Next place nothing. Next place here only. From 9 one number take means 9 change it to 8. Then middle 3 zeros change it to 9. 9. 9. Last 0 change it to 10. 10 minus 9 become 1. Then remaining 9 down no numbers are there. So that one right. 8 down also no numbers are there. So answer become 89,900 and 89,991 is the answer. I hope you can understand this one. Then next one more question. This same model, one more question. Fourth question. 78 into 82 in this way. Here also how we can express 78. How we can write? 80 is subtracted with 2, 78 will come in. So 78 we can express as 80 minus 2 into 82. How we can express 80 is added with 2, 82 will come. Then here also which identity form? A minus B, A plus B identity. What is the expansion form? A square minus B square. We identified that. Then sort out A value, B value. A value represent as 80, B value represent as 2. Then values left and right side of the formula values. A place 80, B place 2. First bracket close. Second bracket 80 plus 2. Second bracket also close. Right side A value that is 80 but bracket keep and whole square put. Minus B value is 2 but whole square is the. Then RHS part only consider 80 square means 80 is multiplied how many times? 2. 2 square means how many times? 2 is multiplied 2. Easy way how to multiply 8 8s are 64. A multiplicand place 1 0, multiplier place also 1 0. that 0 came. 2 twos are how much? 4. Then subtract. They are numbers. That's why calculation is the 6400 is subtracted with 4. 0 minus 4 not possible. Go through next place. No numbers. Go through next place. 4 is there. Take 1 from 4. 4 change it to 3. Middle 0 9. Last 0 10. 10 minus 4 comes to be how much? How much will come in 6? Here 9, 3, 6. So answer become how much? 6396 comes as the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.